What new thing is on your horizon? A new business, new health regimen, a new relationship? The decision to build something new in your life is like assembling a puzzle, and sometimes it's difficult to see the picture when you're in the frame. As you try to fit this new growth into your old plan, you may wonder why the new pieces don't fit into the old boundaries. Boundaries that might be put on us by our past, our current overloaded schedule, or even expectations from others. Your new desired pattern of growth doesn't fit into the old framework of your life because old boundaries rarely leave room for brand new pieces. Throw out the old constrictive framework and start over. Start with what's most important and build out from there. What's most important to you? Your family? Your faith? Personal growth? Financial security? Your new life can only reflect the picture you are trying to create if you find out your priorities, put them in the picture first, and build your new life around them. Your desired life can only be completed by beginning with the pieces that matter most.